Tired of feeling sluggish and overwhelmed? What if I told you a 7-day detox could transform your energy and mindset? We're talking about hitting the reset button on your body and mind. Over the next week, we'll dive into a step-by-step guide to cleanse your system, boost your energy, and feel like a brand new you. This isn't about some crazy fad diet or depriving yourself. It's about making simple, sustainable changes that'll have you feeling lighter, brighter, and sharper than ever. Are you ready to unlock that next level? Let's do this! Alright, day 1, we're hitting the ground running with hydration. And no, I'm not just talking about chugging down gallons of water, although that's part of it. First thing in the morning, start your day with a warm glass of lemon water. It kickstarts your digestion and gets things moving. Throughout the day, aim for at least 8 glasses of water. Plain water can be boring, so spice it up with herbal teas like dandelion or green tea. They're loaded with antioxidants and have additional detoxifying benefits. Remember, we're flushing out the toxins and giving your body the hydration it craves. Day 2, we're tackling the food. We're talking about cleaning up your diet and giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. For the next 24 hours, ditch the processed junk. No processed foods, no refined sugar, and no alcohol. Instead, load up on whole, nutrient-dense foods like vibrant vegetables, colorful fruits, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. Imagine a plate with grilled salmon, a side of quinoa, and some steamed broccoli. It's all about giving your body the building blocks it needs to function at its best. Day 3 is all about movement. This is about incorporating light exercise into your routine to get your blood pumping and sweat flowing. Even a brisk walk, some yoga, or light stretching can make a world of difference. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit, it's about moving your body in a way that feels good and helps your body naturally detoxify. Day 4, we're disconnecting to reconnect. We're talking about a digital detox, people. Let's face it, we're all addicted to our devices. For the next 24 hours, minimize your screen time. Put down the phone, step away from the computer. Instead, dive into a good book, explore your creative side with some journaling, or try a guided meditation app. Give your mind a break from the digital world. Day 5 is all about emotional detoxification. We all carry around emotional baggage, whether we realize it or not. Past hurts, anxieties, and negative thought patterns can weigh us down. Today, we're releasing that negativity. Journaling is your best friend here. Find a quiet space, grab your journal, and just let it all out. Write down anything and everything that comes to mind, without judgment. Don't censor yourself, just let it flow. Another powerful tool for emotional release is deep breathing exercises or guided meditation apps. It's about acknowledging your emotions, processing them, and letting them go. Day 6, we're focusing on gratitude and visualization. Our thoughts influence our reality. Start by writing 3 things you're grateful for. It could be a sunny day, a cup of coffee, or family love. Focus on the positive. Visualize your goals and dreams. Imagine achieving them. Visualization is powerful. Day 7, we've arrived. It's time for a total reset. Today is about combining all the physical and mental detox strategies we've covered throughout the week. Spend the day outdoors, connecting with nature. Go for a hike in the mountains, take a walk on the beach, or get your hands dirty in the garden. Being in nature has an incredibly calming and grounding effect on the mind and body. As you reflect on the past week, take some time to acknowledge how far you've come. Notice the positive changes you've experienced both physically and mentally. Set your intentions for the future, committing to maintain these healthy habits. Congratulations, you made it through the 7-day detox. You should be feeling lighter, brighter, and more energized. This isn't about a quick fix, but sustainable changes for the long haul. Keep incorporating these healthy habits into your routine. Drink water, eat nutritious foods, move your body, and disconnect from technology. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Share your experience in the comments below. Let us know how you're feeling and what you've learned. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and insights.